Are you struggling with diastasis recti, umbilical hernia, postpartum, or if you're perimenopausal, menopausal women who's recently suffering from latchkey, weak bladder, when you laugh, sneeze, and cough, you have a leak. Hi, my name is Annie, and I'm inviting each one of you, and my friend Sandy will be part of my 7 free-part journey series. So don't miss out on this lovely 7 videos that you can slowly strengthen your core safely and effectively if you're postpartum, or if you've never been postpartum but you have new symptoms of perimenopausal, menopausal women, prolapse, pain during intimacy, then don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link down below, write your name and email address, and be part of the reminders. On September 17 is video 1, all the way for the next 2 weeks. Every 2 days, you'll see amazing exercises that will tackle your pelvic floor, engage your core muscles, relieve pain on your back, utilizing a foam roller, ball, the wall, and elastic band. And if you want to have a live Zoom training at the end of my 7 free video series journey, there's a link where I'm going to send you a reminder to join my free webinar, live Zoom call with me, so you can ask questions about my Revive Pelvic Floor Health Core Rehab before I open it on October 1st, Tuesday. Mark your calendar, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, and I'll see you inside my class. I can't wait to see you inside. Oh, thank you for joining me, and Sandy will be there inside my video series. And she's a postpartum, and she's loving it so far. Until my next video training, if you have more time today, you can watch my video 1 over here and video 2. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!